Pickles. My face hurts.
You know where the marker is that I get? Let me get this bag. Woo, smelly good stuff. Smelly good stuff. Good job.
I am not okay.
Beyonce, that's a little silly. Got a gap in his tooth.
I'm a llama. Cinderella.
I'm gonna color her dress pink. Stop it. Yo, what's up? I'm the bad habit. Apology, please don't let it slide. And don't be late for your very important date. My funny, funny friendly pigeon. Cause he just can't wait for a tea party. You and me. Ow! That looks really pretty, doesn't it?
Really?
Look.
I'm gonna break my neck.
What was that?
Little absurd. This thing.
Nope. I refuse.
Really?
No.
My foot's making funny noises.
Your butt is?
My foot.
I thought you said your butt was. I was about to say TMI, Lexi.
FLD. I mean FOD. FOD. Oh my god. I can't feel my brain.
You never could.
Ready?
Yeah.
You can see my. Oh my god. Stop it. Ow!
I see your butt.
I'm sure a lot of people can. There's a volleyball right there at it.
That's nice, Lexi. That's nice.
Oh my god, there's a man bear pig down here.
You see the man bear pig again?
Oh yes, I do. Ready?
Yeah.
Stuck.
That's nice.
Can you see my empty?
I'm not gonna check.
Oh well, do I need to bring up the other two things?
Okay. No, you can't, Lexi.
Can I help up?
No.
I'm ready to bring up the others. Ow. I can. Oh my god, I hurt my nose.
Again?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I hurt my nose.
Oh wow, Lexi. Oh wow.
I don't think I'm supposed to be able to suck on my neck like this. I have a bagophobia. I mean a bug. Phobia.
Oh yes, Lexi, cause bugs just want to eat you.
Yes, they do. I'm claustrophobic too.
But you're not in a small space.
Huh?
You're not in a small
Yes, I
space.
am. Do you not see where I am?
No, I haven't really been paying attention to
Oh
that
my
side.
god. Oh my lord. Ah.
You okay, Lexi?
No. Please, please.
What?
I think you're gonna have a black eye.
Hold on, I gotta get the camera.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh wow, Lexi.
Am I bleeding?
I don't know.
Am I bleeding? Is my eye swelling?
Wait, is your what swelling?
My eye.
Oh, I thought you said something else. No, Lexi, you're fine.
I think it is. Oh, puppy. Am I bleeding?
No, Lexi, you're fine.
I think the nightmare pig is on me. Oh, my god.
Huh?
Is it turning purple?
No, Lexi.
This is like the nose thing all over again. Oh, the eye. Oh my god. Can't open it. Aren't you
doing, Lexi?
I can't, I'm stuck. There's a small area, and I'm under the bed. Oh, ow. Oh, ow. Ow. Pull the bed that way.
I can't.
Yes, you can. I pushed it this way. You can.
Lexi, give me your hand.
There you go. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my
Lexi, you're fine. Oh, I've got the camera pointed the wrong way.
My face swollen.
No, Lexi. Do you want me to end the camera?
I have tears coming out of my broken
Want me to-
eye.
Broken eye? Would you like me to turn the camera off?
No, I can't get up.
give me your hand. Just don't kick me. What the heck was that? Give me.
Wait, I got this.
Don't get stuck worse.
Everything just went black and white. Wait, my eyes are too closed, aren't they? Oh my God. No, you got me into this mess. What did it hit?
A box.
Tell the box I'm sorry. My eye.
Box. She says sorry for hitting with ball. Open your eyes.
I can't.
I know you can. Open the other one. Open the other one.
Oh, it hurts.
Lexi, open your eye.
I'm not joking, Brittany.
Your eye.
Stop zooming in.
I'm not zooming in. I zoomed out. Lexi, quit spazzing.